Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to interface push button with the Arduino, and you will also get to know how to read the status of any digital devices like push buttons, IR sensors. Okay, so this is the basic program, and here first I will explain you the coding part, like how I am going to write the code, and later on I will explain you the circuitry. So I already written the program here. So this is the basic program for interfacing the push button. So as you know, this int is a data type and push is a variable name, and this is the pin number in the Arduino. So Arduino is having 0 to 13 digital pins and A0 to A5 analog pins. So for my push button I took second pin of Arduino Uno, and here I am going to connect, and here with this pin I am going to read the status of the button. As we know, like void setup function and void loop function is a default loop. When you will open the Arduino IDE, you will get default functions, two functions. So in the void setup function, we need to set up or we need to initialize some of the functions or some of the things related to our project. Like in the void setup function, we need to first initialize the baud rate. Okay, what is the use of this baud rate? Because we are going to read the status of the switch, and we are going to print the status of the switch on our serial monitor. For that we need to first begin that serial monitor of the Arduino IDE, and we need to set the baud rate 9600. After that, pin mode is a function. In the pin mode function we have to pass two parameters, that is pin number and the mode, which mode we are going to use. As we already know, like by using switch we are going to read the status of the switch, either it is providing logic 0 or 1. So for that we have to set the pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno in an input mode. Then what I am doing, I am making that particular pin number 2 as an high. By default it will be high. You will get to know when I will explain you the circuitry. Now what I am going to do, inside the void loop function, I am reading the status of the push button. Okay, so if the button is in normal condition, by default I will get 1. If you press the switch, and if the switch is connected with the ground, that time I will get the 0, and I am going to print that status of the pin into the serial monitor. First I am reading the push button status, and I am storing in the variable I. After that I am printing the same variable on the serial monitor, whatever status I am getting. So what are the things, what are the modules are required? I need one breadboard, okay, then one Arduino Uno, switch, that's it. Now I will show you the connections. So see here, pin, it is having 4 legs. Okay, so out in 4 legs, 2 legs are internally connected. So the moment when you will press the switch, you will get one continuity. Okay, the continuity will pass to the another leg. So how to insert it? So in there is one line is there, so there we need to fix it in this way. Okay, now when you will press this switch, this leg and this leg will get continuity. If you are not pressing the switch, this leg is having not having any continuity, means there is no closed circuit. It will become as an open circuit. So by default it is an open circuit, both the legs, this side and this side also. So anywhere if you want you can put it. Now I am taking 2 wire See, one wire I am connecting here, another wire I am connecting here. So actually by default these two pin is sorted. These two pin is sorted and here these two pin is sorted. The moment when you will press the switch, what will happen? The switch will become closed. So now continuity will go from this to this. This is the Arduino Uno board. Now what I am going to do, I am providing here ground. Okay. See, one wire is connected and ground and another wire I connected at pin number 2. So what is happening here? So by default I am giving the ground here. Okay. So if there is a no, if you are not pressing any switch, because in the code we written by default the push button status as an high. So it will give value 1. The moment when you will press the switch, so ground from here 0 volt will go and here we are reading the status of the pin. So pin number 2 we are reading the status. It means logic 0 will get. And if we are not pressing any switch, we'll get logic 1. Okay, so now I am giving the supply. Okay, I given the supply here. Now I am going to upload the code. Tools, select the board name as an Arduino Uno, port as an COM26 Arduino Uno. Okay, now I am uploading the code. Here, if you want, you can save the name of your project. I am saving push button. It is successfully uploaded. Now I am opening the serial monitor. Here you can see I am getting the value 1. The moment when I will press this switch, I will get 0. If I will release the switch, I will get 1. If I will press the switch again, I will get 0. How it is? Why it is coming like this? Because by default we made a pin number 2 as an high. So if we are not pressing any switch, we are getting 1 on the serial monitor. The moment when we'll press the switch, from the ground logic 0 will pass and this circuit will get, this switch will become closed and we'll get the logic 0 and we are reading at pin number 2. See here. Thank you.